Hi, my name's Nick Brown at miko-cartoon.com. I'm a cartoonist and I'm going to show you how to draw some cartoons. Let's have fun. And now I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon donkey. Alright, let's start with lots of round shapes, different round shapes together to play around. I keep on moving the pencil backwards and forwards and sketching over, darkening the line, lightening the line. Well, I can't lighten the line, I guess I can rub it out, but there's a donkey's nose, right, and the eyes up here. And you see how it's going, beginning to have a bit of a jaw there, and big ears I think donkeys have. Actually, there's more like rabbits here, so I'm going to rub that bit out. A mixture between a rabbit and a donkey, I don't want that. Right, that'll do, yeah. This is just the penciling, so that's okay. And a neck. And now we've got to draw sort of, again, sort of squarish, but round up the corners, how about that? So that's giving us a bit more of a chance to do that, yeah. And now then we have to sort of figure out how long the legs are going to be and how big the feet are going to be. Somehow there is a proportion, and you know it's quite difficult to describe, but the head's got to balance with the body, although of course it's a different proportion in real life. But you're creating your own characters, so it can actually be whatever shape you want. So it's entirely up to you, which is the fun. So there we go. And its tail and its mane. There we go. I think that's okay for the pencil. That if I put that line in front of that line, his leg or her leg, whatever it is, if I do a line that indicates that's in front of that and part of it, again difficult to describe, but I hope that makes sense. Right, and this a little bit hairy, so I'm going to draw not smooth lines all the time, keep on like to break the lines up a bit. I'm going to draw this here bigger. There we go, I think that's better because I wasn't really too happy. Again, that's the great thing, you've done your penciling and you can sort of just change things as you feel they should be changed, if you want to change them. There we go. Now we come to that big mouth, nose. Yeah, and that's behind that one, of course, this line, so bring that around. Big smiley character. Teeth. Always good to put the teeth on the jaw. There we go, hair on the jaw. On the mouth, should I say, and that's the jaw. There we go. The neck in. When I say so, this is the square shape, but again we're making it sort of nice and round, just because that's a sort of more of a friendly kind of shape, isn't it? Nice sort of. Well, I was going to say sort of buildings are very square, but again you can make cartoons out of buildings, you know, just by putting a sort of nose, eyes on it, or have the windows be the eyes, if you like. There we go, on the back, foot. Always put a dark shade on the back legs there. So they look really as if they're behind the character, don't they? There we go. Some shading down on the tail. The mane and a few little stripes. That's oops, it's a little bit too dark, but can't do anything about that at the moment. Often when you make a mistake like that, you can sort of just not only it often adds to it, and won't worry about it. It just makes it nice and light, which is fine. There we go, it's got a nice little character, smiley chap. And added a tooth. So it's, yeah, I think that's probably it. Donkeys or horses seem to have lots of flies around them. Why not add a few flies? This is a cartoon, we can add what we like, can't we? There we go. How about a little cloud in the background? And what else? Let's put just add some land, just a little sketchy. Let's put a barn there. There we go. Gosh, I'm getting a few mountains in the background, getting carried away. And that's how to draw a cartoon donkey.